In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Tickmill in TradingView. This step-by-step guide will help you smoothly integrate these platforms, allowing you to take full advantage of TradingView's powerful tools alongside your Tickmill account. So let's dive right in. To get started, open your web browser and head over to tradingview.com. TradingView is a comprehensive charting platform favored by traders who depend on its powerful analysis features. Once you're on the home page, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account to ensure access to all necessary functionalities. Once logged in, you'll want to locate the Supercharts option. This is typically found on the main dashboard. Clicking on Supercharts gives you access to an advanced charting tool that is crucial for your trading analysis. If you're new to TradingView, exploring Supercharts can really broaden your perspective on market trends and analytics. So feel free to customize the view and get comfortable with the layout, as you'll be using it regularly. Next, navigate to the trading panel. You should be able to see this option right below the Supercharts or within one of the menu tabs, depending on your device setup. Click on the trading panel to open a list of brokerage services compatible with TradingView. This panel is your gateway to connect various brokers directly with the platform, thus providing seamless integration and unified control over your trading activities. After accessing the trading panel, you'll want to click on the button that says Show All Brokers. This will expand the list of available and supported broker services. Browse through the selection to find Tickmill. Exploring all the broker options might also be educational, especially if you're curious about what other services are supported. But today, our focus is solely on Tickmill. Once you've set your sight on Tickmill in the list, click on it. A prompt should pop up guiding you to connect your account. This is where you'll enter your Tickmill login credentials. It's important to ensure that the details you provide are accurate. Otherwise, you might face connectivity issues. Double check your login details before hitting the connect button. Completing these steps successfully will connect Tickmill to your TradingView account. Now you can enjoy real-time data integration and execute trades directly from TradingView using your Tickmill account. Remember, having both platforms connected optimizes your trading experience, offering a mix of analytical depth and operational efficiency. Happy trading, and don't hesitate to revisit this guide whenever you need a refresher. We hope this tutorial was helpful, and feel free to drop any questions or comments below.